हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? I hope you are all well. So today we'll be discuss about your first chapter, that was real number, and in my previous video I was completed workout 1.1. So now I will that time I will tell you, so very soon I have the next one, the remaining portion on this chapter. So today I will discuss and show you how easy that is. The sums are really so easy. So just stay with me and see you guys on this class. Rock on. So let's work out 1.2. There have 6 questions. Okay, just let's write the true or false. Let's write the true or false, right or false statement for the following. Okay, and I will be show you and explain why this statement is true or why this statement is false. So let's see. The very first statement is the sum of two rational number will always be rational, right? We know about the rational number which is expressed like as p by q, q not equal to 0. Here is we take some two rational number, add each other and get another rational number. So the first statement is true. Second one, the sum of two irrational number will always be irrational number. Yes, it is also true. Like as we can explain, this is the example of two irrational number like root 2, root 3. We add each other and get a irrational number. Number 3. The product of two rational number will be always be rational. It's also true. Product. Here we take two example rational number a by b and p by q. Okay, we can explain with an example like here a by p and p by q, and make sure actually why yes is the addition, these are the product. Okay, so here we done the product here, multiply each other ap and bq, and it also get we get the rational number. And the number 4, the fourth statement is the product of two irrational number will always be rational. Okay, is it true? So this statement is false. This can be explained with an example. Let us consider the real number. Say 2. 2 is a real number as it can be plotted on the number line. We can be write 2 as 2 by 1. So 2 is a rational number. So the given statement is not always true. Here we complete our 6 true or false questions. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. Okay. Number 2. What is meant by irrational number? Like means just say definition, simple definition we should be get this answer. Let me understand, let me write four irrational number. It's very simple, the number which cannot be expressed from in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 are called irrational number. Like the number which cannot be expressed p by q, this is irrational number, and the rational number also be expressed from p by q. Root 2, since its value 1.414, we cannot write the exact value of root 2 and thereby cannot write in p by q. From as a result, it is an irrational number. For four irrational numbers are root 3, root 5, root 6, and also root 7. Question number 3. Let us write rational and irrational number from the following. Here we get a long chart like as 9. Okay, and will we find out which one is rational and which one not? So guys, let's start. First one, root 9. We know root 9 is the square of 3, that's mean root 9 equal to 3, which is a rational. Okay, so root 9 is rational number. As we know, 225 a square of 15, root over 225 equal to 15, which are also a rational number. 225 is a rational number. As value of root 7 cannot be written exactly and thereby cannot be written p by q form, that's why root 7 is irrational number. We can write also 55 root 2 as a value. Root 2 cannot be written exactly by therefore cannot be written p by q form. That's why root 2 is not a is an irrational number, not a rational number. So root 50 is an irrational number. Okay, as we know 100 is the square of 10, that's why 100 root 100 equal to 10, which is a rational number. Root 100 is a, the answer is rational number. As we know 81 is the square of 9 minus root 100 equal to minus 9. Sorry, that is the wrong one, I had put one here. Is just simply put 81. Okay, 81, not 100. Okay, 81. It is 81. Sometime will we do some silly mistakes and thereafter we will be think about this. Okay. So now here we see minus root 81 is a rational number. Thereafter, the 7 as value of root 42 cannot be written exactly therefore by the p by q. That's why the root 45 is a irrational number. As a value 29 is thereby cannot be expressed p by q. So 290 is irrational number. We can write minus 1000 is a minus 10 root over 10. The value of 10 cannot be exactly expressed from or written by p by q form. So that's why root 10 is not a is an irrational number and it is an irrational number. So question number 4. Let me place root 5 on a number line. We know about number line previously, so it is very easy. So let's see how we should put the root 5 in a number line. So guys, here we see, let the point of O respect 0 on the number line. Okay, let at first I explain and thereafter I will be show you the number line. Okay, so let an point of O in the pair in the respect uh, represent of 0 the number line. We place a point A on the number in such an OA 2 unit. Now AB perpendicular to OA, the point A such AB equal to 1 unit. Okay, so by Pythagoras theorem, OB equal to OA square plus AB square. That's why OB square equal to 4 plus 1 equal to 5. OB equal to root 5. Okay, OB equal to root 5. That's mean one more time I will be show you. Okay, so this is a, if you see very carefully, this is a right angle triangle. Why? Because this triangle, one angle have the angle contain 90 degree. So that's why it is a right angle triangle. And a right angle triangle had the one more famous theory. This is the Pythagoras Thyrom. Okay, Pythagoras Thyrom. What is the theorem? This is called in this situation. This is called base. Okay, base, and this is called perpendicular, and this is called hypotenuse. This is called base, perpendicular, hypotenuse. So the Pythagoras says hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. This is the main theory. Hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay, this is the theory. So here we should just put the value. Okay, we take OB here 2 unit. This is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. 2 unit. Okay, 1 and 1, 2 unit, and AB is 1 unit. So this is must be root 5. Okay, and how? Because the province is here. This is 2 unit means 2 square, and this is AB means 1 units mean 1 square. Add each other as Pythagoras theory. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. So OB equal to root 5 because here is square. Okay, if you have any problem, please comment in down below. I will be explain you. Okay, in next video. Chalo, let's guys, next one. Now taking O as a center and OB as the radius. Okay, OB as the radius of an arc. Okay, this is show as arc is drawn which intersect the number line at P. Okay, so OP, this is the arc, you know, and intersect the number line. Okay, OB, O is in center and OB as a radius, OB the radius. Okay, an arc is drawn with intersect the line into P. Okay, so P 5 unit. That means this the value of OP equal to OB equal to OP, because this is, if we take it here for just like as a circle, is very poor because I had make this cycle with my mouse. Okay, kind of a circle. This is a circle or laddu also. So the value of this, because this is R, and this is also R. Okay, these two R's are same. So in this statement, we should be stated the same one which is proved here. Okay, now take O as a center and OB as a radius and arc. Okay, we draw a arc here. This part is called arc. Okay, arc here is drawn which is intersect in the number line at P. Do you know the name of the meaning of arc in Bengali or Hindi? Please comment down below. Okay, and okay, we finish the class, and thereafter I have some more interesting for you. So let's guys, OP equal to root 5 unit. Hence point P presents root 5. Let me place root 3 on number line. Let the point O represent O on the number line. We place a point A on the number line such as OA equal to 1 unit. Now we draw AB perpendicular to OA at the point A such be AB unit. Okay, same as let me place the root 3 as the number line. Okay, root 3 as number line. So here we just imagine a number line. This is very poor. Okay. Okay, this is a number line. Wow, very straight. Okay, and the 0 should be O. Let point O represent 0 on the number line. The first one, you know, number line is 0. 0 here is represent O. Okay. So we place a point A on the number line in search of OA 1 unit. Okay, we show you OA 1 unit. Okay, here we see OA 1 unit. Now we draw AP perpendicular on OA. Okay, AB perpendicular on OA. Okay, it's true. Is that is 1 unit also? Okay. By Pythagoras Theorem, we know OB square equal to OA square plus OB square 1 plus 1 2, OB equal to root 2. So that's why this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit, and this is the hypotenuse on this right angle triangle. That's why we used here the Pythagoras theorem and put the 1 1 and the value, the h equal to sorry guys, h equal to how much here is root 2. Clear? This is base, this is height. We know h square equal to base square or p square. Height means p, huh? Perpendicular. Why I should forget, I need every time. This is the perpendicular, not height is called. Okay. P square plus b square. Oh my god. Okay. P square value, take 1 square, that is another time is 1, and b also 1 square, that means that is also 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. That means h square equal to 2, and we need the value of h, which we will be put here, the value of h equal to root 2. Okay, clear guys? That's why the value of root 2 is here root 2. Okay, now OB, the value we know the root 2. Now we draw BC perpendicular on OB. Okay, here is BC perpendicular on OB, that means this is also a right angle, and we find the value of OC is very simple. Okay, BC perpendicular to OB, the point B such that BC equal to 1 unit, BC equal to 1 unit. Okay, this is same. Okay, must be same. BC equal to 1 unit. Again, by Pythagoras theorem, we know, okay, like the same, base square, perpendicular square equal to hypotenuse square. This is OC's hypotenuse, and we get the number value of OC, so that's why 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Okay, we know about the number line. So we know about the number, the value, and had a clear image. Okay, so it is very easy to us to deal with this kind of problem. So we know about root 5, how it should find the root 5, and here we see the value of root 3 is 2 times, and the explanation is same as last one. Make a arc, okay, on this, make a arc CP, okay, on the line, and get this value. This radius will be root 3, hence the point P root 3. Number 6, let me place root 5, root 6, root 7, root minus 6, root minus 8, and root minus 11. Let the point O0 is lying, so we place the point of A such as the OA equal to 2 unit. Okay, and now the draw to OA such AB. This is the same as the previous one. Okay, we know about the answer. I will show you the explanation. The last one, please remind your video and replay it, and you saw this explanation. Root 5, we know the root 5, and the same way, if we get root 5, and the root 5 is value of this 5 is the value of the root 5. That's why this 5 and on 6, and we get the value of O6. Okay, OC equal to 6. So this is the number line. Look like pretty some amazing Spider-Man nets. Okay, okay, amazing Spider-Man nets. Like is this? But it is not a Spider-Man net. It's a simple number line with these explanations. So we find at first we get the value of OC. Okay, OC means here root 6. This is root 6, and we know the value of this one is root 5. Okay, let's see the next one is we draw the CD. Okay, this is the CD. This is the perpendicular also on OC. Same as we get the base here is root 6. Okay, we this 1 unit by the Pythagoras theorem, and OD is root 7. Again, and again is the same processor followed here. Okay, nothing much stuff. This the here is we get actually. I will show you. This is the root 6, na? Root 6. This is the base here, and the perpendicular show here 1 unit, and both are square because of this formula. Hypotenuse square equal to base square or perpendicular square. 6 is 6 and get 1 means 7. Okay, but it's the 7, but here is hypotenuse square. That means hypotenuse equal to root 7. So this is root 5, root 6, and here we put the root 7. Okay, clear guys? This is the line. This hypotenuse is put value the root 7. Same as 7, and take 1 on draw a perpendicular OD, and you get root 8. Okay, minus 8 because the cross the number line. This is the y-axis and this is the minus y-axis. This plus y-axis, this is the minus 1-axis, and it's plus x minus x. So this is cross the number line, and the value must be minus and minus. Okay, this 2 times. So guys, finish. Okay, so here we see there is a very simple question. Just understood the basics, and you will be find out. So on today class we just complete our workout. Okay, 1.2. It is very easy and fascinating chapter. So please do practicing, stay healthy, be safe. And the one more thing, Omicron just come ahead our doorstep. So I think, can we had some exercise both together? I will give some prize in for my students. Okay, and I just give some homework in this way, and I will provide you a mail ID, especially student mail ID. You will be answered in the certain times and get some more interesting and exclusive prizes here. Okay, क्या बोला मुझको समझ में नहीं आया, বাংলায় বলতে হবে। যেই ছাত্ররা আমার দেখছো এই ভিডিওটা, তাদের জন্য আমি একটা কন্টেস্ট রাখতে চাই। ওকে, আমি সময় দেব, তার মধ্যে কিছু হোমওয়ার্ক দেব, যারা যতজনই সেই হোমওয়ার্কটা করতে পারবে, টাইমের মধ্যে সাবমিট করবে, তারা প্রত্যেকে গিফটস পাবে। ठीक है जी, जो भी मेरा वीडियो देख रहे हो उसके लिए एक छोटा सा मैसेज है। मैंने सोचा अभी क्या है, ओमिक्रॉन है, बाहर में जाना तो मना है, बाहर पे खेल नहीं सकते, तो चलो ना मैथ्स को थोड़ा ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग बनाते हैं। मैं तुमको होमवर्क दूंगा, तुम उसको मेरा मेल आईडी में मेल कर देना इन सर्टेन टाइम। ओके, सम जो भी करेक्टली वो मैथ कर पाएगा, ओके, वो मेरा ये मैथ्स का क्लासेस के ऊपर ही बेस्ड होगा। ठीक है, अगर हम अभी रेशनल नंबर रियल नंबर कर रहे हैं तो रियल नंबर के ऊपर ही बेस्ड हो क्लास होगा, और मैथ्स वगैरह होगा। जो भी वो मैथ्स ठीक से अटेंड कर पाएगा उसके लिए गिफ्ट रहेगा जो मैं उसका घर में भेज दूंगा। ठीक है गाइस, So be safe, stay healthy, and goodbye is the official channel of Study Point, and I am your teacher Shiva. So take care, मिलता है नेक्स्ट वीडियो में जो है आपका क्लास रिलेटेड. प्लीज गाइस कमेंट करना, सब्सक्राइब करना और क्या है और बदमाशी भी करना घर पे जम के. ठीक है, चलो टाटा, गुड बाय, गॉड ब्लेस यू स्टूडेंट्स.